What's going on, y'all? Day number 2 out here. As you can tell, I'm sitting on a foot of snow after yesterday. So it pushed us off the lake yesterday. I am back out here today, and we're gonna see if the ice is good. I see some people already out here, but I do see some wet spots in this deep snow. So I'm gonna check it, make sure I'm all right, and we're gonna get to fishing, see if we can't catch anything. Here we go. Do this without spilling my bait over and dumping everything. I left my backpack out there. 12. All right. Start stabbing around here. Alright. First bait going in. Right there. All right. Well, no other cameras right now. We're gonna hole hop so much I won't have a main camera. And yeah, we're gonna pull out and start off with this rod, the Elloitt Evolution 42 Noodle rod. See what we got swimming around the areas. A little number 5 tungsten banana gold jig. Give it a shot. We're just gonna go fish random holes everywhere, see if we can't pull anything up. Let the tip up sit for a bit. We got about an hour of sunlight left. Not even that, but we're running out. As you can tell, a foot of snow isn't gonna make our lives easier out here today. All this snow has kept everybody else pretty much off the lake. There's, like, counting me, 4 groups of people out here fishing. If you see my last video, if it was any good and I actually posted it, I was loving this rod. Caught some nice crappie on it, or bluegill, not crappie. Cody, guy I was fishing with, caught crappie. I'm not that good to catch crappie yet. Keep an eye up on my tip ups. I got a tip up there, I got a tip up over there, a little further away. Oh, here we go. We got a fish. We're not going to work them too much. If they're not eating, they're not eating. It's simple as that. But we got a sucker on the iFish Pro 2, and we got a shiner on the Beaver Dam tip up traditional. I guess nowadays you can call it old school. iFish Pro 2s are considered modern nowadays, huh? May have to change it up and something with a little bit of noise. The thing with all this snow, you have to make a path to where you want to fish. And then you can't leave that path unless you want a headache getting to it. There we go. Here we go. We're on 14 or 15 foot here. Not bad. Oh no, this is 11, not 15. There's fish there. Fish, got him. Oh, I think I missed him. I hooked him, but he got off. Come on, look at all those marks. Ooh, tip up. We have a flag, boys and girls. We have a flag. Let's go get that. Oh, walk up to it. Might be a false alarm. Oh, it's off to the side. All right, let's go ahead and put some tension to it, see if it takes off. Here we go, here we go. Got him. Don't know what it is, but we got something on the tip up. It's coming up. It ain't even really fighting. What is it? What is it? Is it a bass? That'd be awesome. Ooh, big old head shakes. I think it's a northern. Big old northern. There we go. There he is. There we go. I'll grab you. There we go. That's a nice, almost 30-inch northern right there. There we go. Give him a drink real quick. There we go. Nice. Ouch, he's gonna cut me like that. Woo, nice northern. Probably every bit of 25 inches. Let's go ahead and get him back. There we go. Give him a second. Kicked off. Nice. There we go. Let's get that set back on there. Like so. There we go. We're set. We're ready for the next bite. Sun is almost gone. Got him. Got him. Feels good too. What we got? Oh, what's going on here? I'm hung up in my transducer. There we go. What a bluegill. Little guy. Nothing crazy. Not like yesterday, but it's a start. Get him back. A lot of activity right there. Must have hit my quick release or my reversed switch. Oh man, they just like turned on. There we go. Fish, little guy. This Noodle rod is phenomenal. Yeah, I could have used him as bait. If it's perch, I can use it. But can't use bluegill, I don't think. Don't hold me to it. All right. So yeah, this is that Elloitt Noodle rod. I gotta say, very impressed. I love the way it works. I'm used to the small rods. So when I set the hook, I was always lifting way, way up. But now, I don't even have to do that. Look at that. I don't even got to touch the reel. I can bring it up 3 foot and then lower it back down without even touching that reel. I think that's pretty awesome. Less time on the reel, more time concentrating on jigging them. Ooh, hit me and I missed him. And you can feel every little tap through this rod. All right,
well, I'll just scavenge for something in the house then. You're on your own for dinner.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye. Here we go, fish. Talking to the missus, nailing some fish. Look at that. It's like the bite just turned on right here. Little bluegill. I mean, not something to write home about, but fish is a fish. Sun setting. I guess this is what they mean by prime time, huh? I wouldn't know. They just talk about it a lot. Who knows? As far as I'm concerned, anytime you can fish is prime time. Just not the time of day. But I get what they mean by the bite being better, a lot better at least. Because these fish all of a sudden turned on. Come on, you'll chase it. There you go, there you go. Pause it. Nope. Thought you had it. Oh, he tapped it again. Ooh, lost my grip on that. That's a nicer fish too. Oh, wrapped in my transducer. Come on, buddy. Get out of that transducer. Oh yeah, that's the best one so far. There we go. I gotta say, I think he is the best one so far. Now I could tie a spoon on and probably get him that way, but this little tungsten on this noodle rod, man, this is a blast. And this is why I got the 42-inch noodle, so I can stand and fish. I mean, as you can tell, that's solid slush down there. The snow is pushing the ice down. Water's coming up, so I don't want to be on my knees in cold, wet water either. There we go, coming hot. came in hot. Oh, that's a little crappie. Oh, my first crappie of the year. Right there. First crappie of the year. About 6 inches. Nothing, nothing I could keep. Get him back. Get back down there. See if we can't catch a few more. I'm not against a crappie bite at all. If you're wondering, this little, I don't know the name of the jigs. If y'all know the name of it, I think it's a banana head jig, tungsten, in gold with that waxy. It seems to be the killer yesterday and today. I haven't tried anything else really. Why stop something that's working, right? I need to work on that. Oh, I keep losing my rod. Oh, look at the size of that gill. There we go. There's that big monster we were looking for. Right there. I mean, God. Make sure I'm recording. There we go. Freaking A. Hell yeah. I need to learn to hold on to my rod the right way. And that was bouncing and a little bit more aggressive. There we go. Another nice one. Woo! Oh, the little crappie. There we go. I mean, he's not wide or anything, but he crushed it like a big old bluegill. There we go. Fish. Got him. Little bluegill. Early ice. These fish ain't heavily pressured. They just, boy, they're just hitting everything. Glad no one's out here right yet. There we go. Got him. Got him. Little crappie. Little crop. Let him have that bait. Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna go get a camera, actually. And we're gonna put a camera on this. There we go. We are set up. What do you know? I look like a pro. All right. They're still all down there. Let's go ahead and get them. As you can see, that's my lure dropping down, and I'm going to keep it just above them. They'll come up after it. Here they come. Look at them chase it. Ooh, missed it. That's the only thing I don't care for. Maybe my gain's too high. It's like little bubbles or something. But here he comes. Oh, and gone in a heartbeat. There we go. Fish on. Got him. Chased it up. And it's a little craps. Oop, he came right off. There he is. That's why I didn't play basketball. I turned down the gain. It looks a little... There he goes. Oh, hit it on the drop. And that's a nice one, too. Yeah, nice little bluegill. I went to go drop it down, and he picked it up as soon as I dropped it. Complete slack line when I let all the way down. And nice. I can't argue. Very nice panfish. I mean, considering this is my second year only ever ice fishing, I'm not going to argue. I came out here just in very little time because, well, I was so wiped out from cleaning the driveway from the blizzard and helping the neighbor. Do my good deeds. Do good deeds, and you're rewarded like this. All right, there's my jig. About 10 foot, and here comes some fish just under it. Give it a bounce, bounce, bounce. Activity is there, but they're not biting as hard as they were just a minute ago. There we go, fish. Got him. Little peckerhead. Come on, get off my transducer cable. Little guy, late evening. See how much longer we can do this. One more big one would be great. I'm hoping that my tip ups kind of take off here. There we go. Fish. Got him. Got him. Another little bluegill. There's a healthy variety in this lake. I've never really hunted for them. I know there's a crap ton of sunfish, but I haven't caught one sunfish. Just all bluegills. There he is. Got him. Got him. That noodle rod is phenomenal, man. There we go. Ooh. Tip up. We have a tip up. Let's go check it out. It's not spinning. Something's got it though. Can't feel him anymore. Hope he didn't drop it. Got him. Right there. Ooh, that one feels good too. Ooh, that feels real good, actually. Ooh, yeah, that does. This is a bigger northern. Bigger northern. Yeah, it is. I think it is. Making a run. Nice. At the end of the day. Oh yeah, yeah, that is a bigger northern right there. And it's one ice fishing yet. Look at there. Yes, he's almost 30. Woo! Look at that. Nice. There we go. Look at that. Look at that northern. I mean, he's every bit of 30 inches. I barely hooked you and you're bleeding on it. So yeah, nice. Nice. Let's break out the phone. Get it up on Instagram. What do y'all think? There we go. We got our Instagram paper or thing. Oof. Mad. Angry, angry, angry. Nice. Hell yes. All right. Let's see if we can't get back down there. Still got one tip up out, the iFish Pro. Maybe something will run off with it before we completely run out of light. Oh, I'm breathing heavy now. Whew. Walking through this stuff is rough. Oh yeah, they really slowed down. There we go. Fish on. Got him. Little bluegill, I bet. You know, very little, but still a fish at the end of the night. If you enjoyed that video, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. So I fished all the way up till dark last night and didn't do an outtake because, well, hey, it got way too dark. But caught two northern and some crappie, some bluegills, panfish of all different kinds. Had a blast. Didn't catch a bass, but I did catch fish, and that's all that really matters. Trying to learn as I go. I think I'm starting to figure it out just a little bit. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. And if you did, leave a comment, let me know. It probably does suck a little bit. I have a hard time talking about something when I have nothing to talk about, I guess. So I'm gonna end it here. Y'all take care, and remember, till next time, y'all keep living right.